Hey everyone, this is Daniel Bemis from Bluegrass EDU, and in today's video I'm going to show you all how to use the Chrome extension Screencastify. Screencastify is a neat web tool that allows you to record your computer screen. You can create tutorial videos on how to operate a certain website that you're using with your class. You can show them how to, if you're using Google Slides, you can show them how to use a scribble tool, or how do I create text box in a document. You can show them step by step on how to do that. I taught ESL for a number of years, and I remember I had a group that they were really anxious in getting up in front of the class and presenting. So what I had them do, do a Screencastify. So I had them read their Google Slides and they recorded themselves, and then they were able to show the video to that. So let's go ahead and jump right in and check out Screencastify. So here is Screencastify.com. You can see I've already installed it on my Google Chrome browser. And you can see right there where it has that one, that is Screencastify. So it's always going to be up in my toolbar here, and I can just click on it and it's ready to go. Pricing for Screencastify, if you're an educator, it's free, but you get to record up to 5 minutes. But they do have a discount for educators, so it's $29 a year. So this is what I do. I have the $29 a year. So you can see I got unlimited recording length. I'm able to merge videos and reorder my clips. Whereas the free, you get, let's say you get 5 minutes, you get to record your screen and webcam, you can trim videos. Oh yeah, and what's great about Screencastify is it automatically saves to your Google Drive. There's the icon right there. I'm gonna click on it. It's gonna pop up with a little box. And you have 3 options. You can just do a tab, or you can do the whole desktop, or you can just do webcam only. But I'm gonna do desktop. You can see the mic's on, you can see it's going right there. And then it's got the webcam ready to go. So I'm gonna hit record, and you can see there I am right there, okay? And then it's over here. I'm gonna click on this right here that I want to show my entire screen. So I hit that, hit share, and then it's gonna count down for me. And so yeah, it is recording the screen right now. Get that out of the way. So you can see if I'm clicking around, yeah, it makes like little circles there because it's going to show like what exactly am I clicking. So if you wanted to show your students, hey, this is how you do a text box. You hit text box, and then you make it into a rectangle, and then you can type on it. So that's how you do that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and stop. So if I want to stop, go over here, hit it, and then hit stop. So this is going to save to Google Drive automatically. So you can see there it is right there. I can just click on this. I can title it. Okay. I can publish it to YouTube. I can share it to the classroom. I can get the embed code to put it on a website. I can download it. I can give them the link to this. So there's lots of different options. So if I go to Google Drive, there is a Drive folder. So you can see Screencastify. Let's click on that. And then there are all the Screencastifies that you created. Okay, and I titled it test video. All right, so I'm going to show you how to insert this into Google Slides. So I'm going to get rid of that. So this is great to when you're showing students how to use the scribble tool, or how do you type a text box. Like show them how to navigate Google Slides. You can insert a video. All right, so go to Insert, Video, Google Drive. And then right there is the video that I just created. So hit test video, hit select. And so it's formatting the video right now. But if it was already ready to go, it would insert there, okay? So that is how you insert a video into Google Slides. Just go to Insert, Video, your drive, and then it's going to be right there. Or if I want to just do this one here, this is what Allison did. So I select the Screencastify that she did. So you hit play.
Bluegrass EDU friends, and
there you
Allison,
go.
And I know
so that's how you do that. So I hope this video helped. Be sure to give it a like. If you have any questions, be sure to comment and also subscribe to our page. Thank you all so much.